Jiangxi Group Production Scale, 60,000 square meter industrial park. Battery factory locations. The 3 major factories in China. Sales network distribution. The top 3 global sales centers. Jiangxi New Energy is based in Jiangxi, China. Products are exported to over 60 countries and regions worldwide. Established physical, chemical, and testing laboratories. Our team comprises highly skilled professionals. Over 800 employees. R&D team of over 100 members. Equipped with advanced R&D facilities and technology platforms. Daily production capacity reaches 1 million Annual production capacity exceeds 10 million battery packs. Jiangxi's 3 major production capacity layouts. Dongguan Jiangxi New Energy Co., Ltd. Factory and Smart Battery R&D Center. Daily production capacity 100,000 Jiangxi Jiangxi New Energy Co., Ltd. Factory and Semi-Solid-State Battery R&D Center. Total daily production capacity 600,000 Intelligent Demonstration Production Line. Daily capacity 300,000 Standard production line daily capacity 300,000 Jiangxi Jiangxi New Energy Co., Ltd. High rate and semi-solid state battery factory. Daily production capacity 300,000 Jiangxi New Energy. We look forward to cooperating with you.